Turn the ignition. It's stopped. Gonna happen again. Stop the knocking. It's in between sometimes. Keys out. Keys in. I'm disconnecting the battery. The sound is coming from inside the cabin, not from out here in the engine. Here is where I start to remove the 2 screws under the steering wheel so that I can remove the panel to get to the part that needs to be replaced. So 2 screws, you can just pop that off. Put the screws aside. This is the part that I removed. I opened it to see if there was any damage. Didn't really see any damage. I feel like it was just disconnected. I feel like I could have still used this part. But if you look in here, I do see where there was some scratching. So I wonder if that thing was flailing around. The white part. I don't know what that's called. Okay. Taking a look. Trying to install the new part. It was easy. I had seen another video where it said to put the little white lever on, but I put the white lever on first in the vehicle and then place that so that I'm able to have the screws line up. Careful with your arm if you're going above in there because it did scratch me up. Okay, here's the car starting. Put the battery back in. This is the part I replaced. This is the part, 2 screws, little connection up here. I'm gonna turn the air on, see what happens. Cost me $32 at AutoZone. It took me less than